Subtraction is the operation of taking the difference of two numbers, or the process or skills of taking one number or amount away from other. The symbol, the sign of subtraction is negative sign. Negative sign is symbols of subtractions. Let us answer an example and let us understand it now. Okay. For instance, 2 minus 1. 2 apple minus 1 apple. When you subtract 1 apple from these 2 apples, it will give you 1 apple. You can use your hands to remove it. For instance, when you cancel 1 apple, how many is the remainder? The remainder is 1. So 1 is the answer. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the easiest way and simplest method of subtraction. Subtraction without borrowing. Subtract 12 from 24. Subtract 12 from 24. This is the easiest way of finding the largest at the top and the smallest beside it. You see, when you subtract 2 from 4, what is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. The 2 minus 1 is equals to what? 1. When you subtract 1 from 2 is equals to 1. So therefore the answer is 12. 24 minus 12 is equals to 12. Pause the video and solve the followings. Try to solve them all. So now we move to subtraction with borrowing. Subtraction with borrowing. Okay. Subtract 6 from 32. Subtract 6 from 32. 2 minus 6. It can't. So you have to borrow 1 from 3, which is equals to what? 12. When you add that 1 with 2, it equals to 12. And the 3 changed to what? 2, because she gives 1, 2, 2. So now 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is equals to what? Count it. 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. And the 3 changed to 2. So since there is no number at the down of the tree, just push it down. The answer is 26. 32 minus 6 is equals to 26. Subtract 86 from 671. So now 1 minus 6, it can't. You have to borrow 1 from 7. When you borrow 1 from 7 and add it in front of that one, it equals to 11. So 11 minus 6, count it. 11 minus 6 is equals to 5. 5 is the answer, and 7 changed to 6. So now 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8, it can't. Still, you have to borrow 1 from that 6. You have to borrow 1 from the 6. When you borrow 1 from the 6, it's equals to what? 16. So now 16 minus 8. Count it and remove it. 16 minus 8 is equals to what? 8. The answer is 8. So we move to the 6, and the 6 changed to what? 5. Since there is no number, push it down. 5 is the answer. So now the answer is 585. 671 minus 86 is equals to 585. Another example. Subtract 301 from 650. So when you say 0 minus 1, it can't. Again, you have to borrow 1 from 5. When it equals to 10. 10 minus 1, it equals to what? 9. And 5 changed to 4. 4 minus 0. Not that again. Any number minus 0 is that number. 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. When you subtract 0 from 4, it remains constant. So 4 is the answer. And 6 minus 3. Subtract 3 from 6. 6 minus 3 is equals to what? 3. 3 is the answer. So 650 minus 301 is equals to 349. Simplify the following by yourself. Simplify it and then press your calculator and check whether you are correct or not. Thank you.
Subscribe General Mathematics channels for more videos.